Hello, my name is Micaela Yvette Gonzalez, and I am 22 years old, graduated with a Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. As as an IT graduate, I have familiarity with educational technology and software commonly used in classrooms. I can help students by providing individualized support, assisting with classroom management, facilitating group activities, offering feedback and encouragement, also modifying materials as needed. Also, I am detail oriented and have good organizational abilities and can interact with students and teachers in an effective manner. In addition, I am dedicated to creating a welcoming and inclusive learning environment, and my patience and empathy allow me to assist children with a variety of learning and needs.